bad. So I'm on foot now. Should only be another about half mile to the top of where I'm trying to get. And then I should be able to kind of look out and see like all the San Juans, or at least the mountain range that I've really been like researching. This is just kind of like a first look, see if I can hike in there and do some like backcountry backpacking stuff. So I guess we'll see what's up there when we get there. And technically I am on the Colorado Trail now, so it's only right that I do a little bit of hiking. Start heading back down, back to my car, and then I think I'm gonna head over to Silverton. All right, I'll see you at the car. Just drove down into Silverton to end the day. I'm gonna hang out here. I'm probably gonna head to Durango tomorrow. I got some editing that I need to do, and then after that probably head back up here, but that'll be in a different vlog. So anyways, I will see you guys in the next one. Later.